Picture Windows. Sanford are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their view and bring more natural light into their homes. These large, fixed windows offer unobstructed views and can be customized to fit any space. Whether you're considering window installation, Sanford, or window replacement. Sanford, picture windows are an excellent option for creating a bright and open atmosphere in your home. Energy-efficient windows. Sanford are essential for reducing energy costs and improving the comfort of your home. With advancements in window technology, energy-efficient windows can significantly decrease your heating and cooling expenses. When considering window installation. Sanford, opting for energy-efficient windows is a smart investment for long-term savings. Custom picture windows. Sanford provide homeowners with the flexibility to design windows that perfectly match their style and needs. Whether you need unique shapes, sizes, or materials, custom windows can be tailored to fit any architectural design. For those in Sanford, Florida, custom windows offer a personalized touch to any home renovation project. Window replacement Sanford services are crucial for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. From fixing broken glass to addressing issues with window seals. Sanford, professional replacement services can extend the life of your windows and improve their performance. Regular window maintenance. Sanford can prevent costly replacements and ensure your windows remain in top condition. Vinyl windows. Sanford are a popular choice due to their durability, low maintenance, and affordability. These windows are resistant to warping, rotting, and fading, making them ideal for the humid climate of Sanford, Florida. When considering window replacement, Sanford, vinyl windows offer a cost-effective solution with long-lasting benefits. Impact windows. Sanford are designed to withstand severe weather conditions, providing added protection for your home. These windows are essential for homeowners in hurricane-prone areas like Sanford, Florida. With impact windows, you can have peace of mind knowing your home is safeguarded against strong winds and flying debris. Double-hung windows. Sanford offer versatility and ease of use, making them a favorite among homeowners. These windows feature two operable sashes that allow for improved ventilation and easy cleaning. When considering window installation, Sanford, double-hung windows provide a classic look with modern functionality. Casement windows. Sanford are known for their excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. These windows open outward with a crank, allowing for maximum airflow and easy operation. For those in Sanford, Florida, casement windows are a practical choice for enhancing both style and functionality. Sliding windows. Sanford are perfect for spaces where you want to maximize natural light and ventilation. These windows glide horizontally, offering a sleek and modern look. When considering picture windows, Sanford sliding windows are an excellent option for contemporary homes in Sanford, Florida. Bay windows, Sanford and bow windows. Sanford add architectural interest and extra space to any room. These windows extend outward, creating a cozy nook or additional seating area. For homeowners in Sanford, Florida, bay and bow windows can transform the look and feel of your home, adding both beauty and value.